hyperconjugation effect. See, the stability of the carbocation is explained on the basis of the hyperconjugation effect. Okay, see, the stability of the alkyl substituted carbocation is explained on the basis of the hyperconjugation effect. For example, see, this carbocation, that is CH3 CH2. Okay, this is the alkyl substituted carbocation. Okay, this substituent is present on this positive charge carbon atom. Therefore, this is the alkyl substituted carbocation. Next example, see R C R. Okay, this R. Okay, this is tertiary carbocation. Okay, R means any alkyl group. Okay, this is the tri-substituted carbocation. Tri-substituted carbocation. Okay, means the stability of this alkyl substituted carbocation is explained on the basis of the hyperconjugation effect. Okay, and see, this effect we have studied in BSc first year. Okay, what is the hyperconjugation effect? Hyperconjugation effect means the migration of the sigma electrons of the alpha CH bond to the electron deficient center is known as the hyperconjugation effect. And what is the essential condition for the hyperconjugation effect? Presence of at least one alpha hydrogen atom. Okay, presence of at least one hydrogen atom is essential condition for the hyperconjugation effect. Okay, see in this case. Okay, in this case. Okay, see this is the ethyl carbocation CH3 CH2. Okay, this carbon is known as alpha carbon atom. Okay, the hydrogens present on the alpha carbon atoms are known as alpha hydrogens. Okay, in this carbocation there are how many alpha hydrogens? 1, 2 and 3, means there are 3 alpha hydrogens. Okay, there are 3 alpha hydrogens. Therefore, this carbocation shows or undergoes hyperconjugation effect. Okay, see this bond CH bond. This CH bond is known as alpha CH bond. This bond is also known as alpha CH bond. This bond is also known as alpha CH bond. Okay, means there are 3 alpha CH bond. Okay, see this is the alpha CH bond. Okay, and this bond is the sigma or pi bond? Sigma bond. Okay, what is my sigma electrons? Sigma electrons means? And pi electrons? Electrons of sigma bonds are known as sigma electrons. Electrons of pi bonds are known as pi electrons. Okay, these are the sigma electrons. Okay, these sigma electrons migrate toward this positive charge carbon atom. Means they are transfer or they are migrate towards the electron deficient center, and that is why this effect is known as the hyperconjugation effect. Okay, see this, how these sigma electrons migrate towards this electron deficient center. We know, see the structure of carbocation. Okay, carbocation is electron deficient. See this pz orbital which is empty, which is perpendicular to the plane of CH bond. Okay, these electrons are transferred toward this pz orbital. Okay, means see this sigma electron transferred toward this bond, thus there is a formation of double bond between these 2 carbon atoms. I will repeat again. See, these sigma electrons migrate towards the electron deficient center, and thus there is a formation of double bond between these 2 carbon atoms. Okay, that is we get this structure, that is H double bond CH2, and this hydrogen, it becomes positive or negative charge? Positive charge. H plus. Okay, this is the structure. Okay, in this way the electrons of the sigma bond migrate towards the electron deficient center, and we get this structure. Okay, the next possibility, this electron is also migrate towards this electron deficient center, or the electrons or the sigma electrons of this CH bond also migrate towards this electron deficient center. Okay, how this structure is formed? This structure is formed due to the migration of sigma electrons of this alpha CH bond to the electron deficient center. If the sigma electrons of this alpha CH bond migrate towards the electron deficient center, then we get this structure H plus. Okay, C H double bond CH and C H, we get this structure. Okay, means see this electron pair migrate to this electron deficient center, there is a formation of double bond, therefore this hydrogen becomes positively charged. Okay, the next, if the electrons of this alpha CH bond migrate toward this electron deposition center, then we get this structure H. Come on, bola H double bond CH2 and H plus. Okay, means next possibility. Next, not possible. Okay, because there are only 3 alpha hydrogens. Means see, for this ethyl carbocation, how many structures are possible? 3. Remember, these structures are known as the hyperconjugative structures. These structures are known as hyperconjugative structures. Okay. Remember, means for 1 alpha hydrogen, 1 hyperconjugative structure is possible. For 2 alpha hydrogens, 2 structures are possible. And for 3 hydrogens, 3 structures are possible. Okay. Means for ethyl carbocation, 3 hyperconjugative structures are possible. Okay. Again, remember, if we see the hyperconjugative structures, it is found that this hydrogen do not change their position. H plus, H plus, H plus. And again, there is no bond between this carbon and H plus. There is no bond between this carbon and H plus. There is no bond between this carbon and H plus. Therefore, this hyperconjugation effect is also known as no bond resonance effect. Remember, this hyperconjugation effect is also known as no bond resonance effect. This is the reason why this hyperconjugative effect is known as no bond resonance effect. Okay, see, there is no bond between C and H plus. C and H plus, and this H plus do not change their position. Okay, tell me, if there are 9 alpha hydrogens, then how many hyperconjugative structures are possible? 9. If there are 6 alpha hydrogens, how many structures are possible? 6. Okay, means remember, greater the number of hyperconjugative structures, more will be its stability. जेवढे hyperconjugative structures जास्त असतील, तेवढी त्या कार्बोकॅटायनची स्टॅबिलिटी काय असेल? जास्त असेल. Means for ethyl carbocation, how many hyperstructures are possible? 3. Okay, and what is the essential condition for hyperconjugation effect? Presence of at least 1 alpha hydrogen. Okay, tell me in this alkyl substituted carbocation, which is more stable and which is less stable? See, CH3. What is the name of this carbocation? Methyl carbocation. CH3, CH2, ethyl carbocation. CH3, CH3. What is the name of this carbocation? Isopropyl carbocation. Speak loudly. CH3, CH3 and CH3. Tertiary butyl carbocation. Okay. Tell me the 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Which is more stable, which is less stable, and what is the reason?
4 more stable than 3.
Tell me what is the name? Tertiary butyl carbocation is more stable than isopropyl, than and ethyl carbocation is more stable than methyl carbocation. Okay. This methyl carbocation undergoes hyperconjugation effect.
No.
Why this methyl carbocation do not undergo hyperconjugation effect? Because there is no alpha hydrogen, there is no alpha CH bond. Okay. Then this ethyl carbocation, there are 3 alpha hydrogens. Because this carbon is alpha, hydrogens present on alpha carbon atoms are known as alpha hydrogens. For 1 alpha hydrogen, 1 structure is possible. If there are 9 alpha hydrogens, 9 structures are possible. And greater the number of hyperconjugative structures, more will be its stability. Okay. For this ethyl carbocation, how many structures are possible? 3. In this case, tell me how many alpha hydrogens?
6.
This carbon is alpha. This carbon is also alpha. Total alpha hydrogens? 6. Mean how many hyperconjugative structures are possible? 6 structures are possible. In this case, this carbon is alpha. Okay. This carbon is also alpha. This carbon is also alpha. Means there are 9 alpha hydrogens. Therefore, for this tertiary butyl carbocation, 9 hyperconjugative structures are possible. Okay. This is 9, 6, 3, no hyperconjugative structures. Okay. And that is why this tertiary is more stable than isopropyl carbocation, which is more stable than this ethyl carbocation, which is more stable than this methyl carbocation. Okay, means the stability of the alkyl substituted carbocation is explained on the basis of hyperconjugative effect. Okay, write down. Write down. Write down next line. Okay, write down. The stability of the alkyl substituted carbocation. Stability of the alkyl substituted carbocation is explained on the basis of hyperconjugation effect. Stability of the alkyl substituted carbocation is explained on the basis of hyperconjugation effect. Write down. Next line. Actually, this effect you are studying in BSc first year. Okay, hyperconjugation effect. Write down next line. Migration of sigma electrons of the alpha CH bond. Migration of sigma electrons. Migration of sigma electrons of writing this manner alpha CH bond. Migration of sigma electrons of alpha CH bond towards the electron deposition center. Towards the electron deposition center is known as hyperconjugation effect. Is known as hyperconjugation effect. Write in bracket. No bond resonance effect. No bond resonance effect. No bond resonance effect. Okay. Write down. For example, write down this. Write down this structure examples: methyl carbocation, ethyl carbocation, isopropyl carbocation, and tertiary carbocation. Okay. These are the no hyperconjugative structure. No hyperconjugative structure. Okay, there are 3 hyperconjugative structures. Okay, 6 hyperconjugative structures, 9 hyperconjugative structures. Okay, writing this one. Number of hyperconjugative structure. Number of hyperconjugative structure. Okay. For this methyl carbocation, no, 0 hyperconjugative structures are. Okay, this methyl carbocation do not go and hyperconjugation effect. For ethyl 3, for methyl isopropyl 6, tertiary butane 9. Okay, write on next line. Greater the number of hyperconjugative structures. Greater the number of hyperconjugative structures, more will be its stability. More will be its stability. Greater the number of hyperconjugative structures, more will be its stability. More will be its stability. Okay. See. The next factor. Okay. Next factor is the
Resonance.
third factor.
Resonance.
Third factor is the resonance effect. Resonance effect. Okay. Do you know what is the resonance effect?
Delocalization of charge.
Okay. Next, anybody? Resonance effect. Resonance effect. Remember the single Lewis structure. Okay, single Lewis structure. Okay, see this benzene. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this. What is the difference between these three structures? What is the name of this structure? This is benzene. This is known as, and this is known as. What is the difference? What is the difference?
The third one, the electron.
What is the difference? See the structures carefully and tell me what is the difference between these first two structures.
Position of double bond.
Correct? That is the position of the double bond. See, if we see this first structure, there is single bond between the C1 and C2 carbon atom. There is double bond between C2 and C3 carbon atom. In this case, there is double bond between C1 and C2. There is single bond between C2 and C3. Means in this structure, what is the difference? Only the change in position of the double bond. And in this case, what is the meaning of this circle?
Continuous changing of position of the
Okay, means the position of the double bond is not fixed. Position of the double bond is not fixed. Okay, these structures are known as the Lewis structure, single Lewis structure. Okay, this structure is known as the resonance hybrid structure. These structures are known as the resonance structures. Okay, remember. Okay, the single Lewis structure cannot explain all the properties of the molecule. The single Lewis structure of the molecule cannot explain all the properties of the molecule. Okay, and therefore these structures are known as the resonance structures or also known as the canonical structures. Okay, and the structure which explains all the properties of the molecule, this structure is known as the resonance hybrid structure. And this process or this phenomenon is known as the resonance effect. What is my resonance effect? The single Lewis structure cannot explain all the properties of the molecule. These structures are known as the resonance structures or canonical structures. And the structure which explain all the properties of the molecule is known as resonance hybrid structure. Okay, and this phenomenon is known as the resonance effect. What are the properties of the benzene? Okay, it may be physical or chemical. Okay, the single structure cannot explain all the properties of the benzene. Okay, this structure explains some properties of benzene. This structure explains some properties of benzene. Okay, means the single Lewis structure cannot explain all the properties of the molecule. But this structure, this is the resonance hybrid structure. This structure explains all the properties of the benzene, and that is why this structure is known as the resonance hybrid structure, and this effect is known as the resonance effect. Okay, see, this resonance effect is also explain the stability of the carbocation. Okay, but which carbocation? The stability of the benzylic carbocation and stability of the allylic carbocation is explained on the basis of the resonance effect. Okay, see, resonance effect. See, CH2 plus. What is the name of this carbocation? Benzylic. Okay, this carbon is benzylic carbon. Benzyl chloride, benzyl alcohol. Okay, this is benzylic carbocation. Okay, and what is the name of this carbocation? CH2 double bond CH and CH2. What is the name of this carbocation? Tell me, what is the name of this carbo? CH2 double bond CH, CH2 Cl.
Allylic chloride.
Correct? This is known as the allyl chloride. Allyl chloride. Okay, and this is known as allyl carbocation or allylic carbocation. Okay, this is allylic carbon. Allyl carbocation. Okay, we see the stability of the benzylic carbocation and stability of the allylic carbocation is explained on the basis of the resonance effect. Greater the number of resonance structures, more will be its stability. जेवढे resonance structures जास्त असतील तेवढी त्या कॅटायनची कार्बोकॅटायनची ओके कार्बोकॅटायन और कार्बेनियन और फ्री रॅडिकल्स तर त्या मॉलिक्यूलची स्टॅबिलिटी काय असते जास्त असते. रिमेंबर ग्रेटर द नंबर ऑफ रेझोनन्स स्ट्रक्चर्स मोर विल बी इट्स स्टॅबिलिटी. ओके सी द रेझोनन्स ड्रॉ द रेझोनन्स स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑफ दिस benzylic carbocation. Also draw the resonance structures of allylic carbocation. Which is more stable? This benzylic is more stable or this allylic is more stable? Why benzylic is more stable?
More resonance.
Draw the resonance structure. See, See, this is CH2. Okay, this carbon is number 1. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. Okay, see, there is no structure. See. This electron pair. Okay, tell me, this is the sigma bond or pi bond? Pi bond. Out of these two bonds, remember, one is sigma bond, one is pi bond. If there are 3 bonds between two atoms, then how many sigma and how many pi bonds? One sigma, 2 pi bonds. Okay, see, this is sigma bond. Okay, this is pi bond. Okay, see, this pi electrons pair shifts to the C2 carbon atom. Therefore, this C2 becomes negatively charged, and this C1 becomes positive charge. CM becomes positively charged. Okay, see, tell me, this electron pair shifts to this carbon, or this electron pair shifts to this carbon? This electron pair shifts to this C2 carbon atom, or it is shifts to this positively charged carbon atom? कोणत्या कार्बन कडे शिफ्ट होईल? Okay, see, this electron pair, okay, not shifts to this C2 carbon atom. This electron pair, okay, shifts to this positive charged carbon atom. Okay, therefore there is a formation of double bond between this C1 and this positively charged carbon atom. Okay, and therefore this C2 carbon atom becomes negative or positive charge? Positively charged. Positively charged. I will repeat again. This is sigma bond, this is pi bond. Okay, this pi electron pair shifts toward this electron deficient center, or it is shifts toward this positively charged carbon atom. Therefore, there is a formation of double bond between these two carbon atom. Okay, and therefore this C2 carbon atom becomes positively charged, not negatively charged. It becomes positively charged. Okay, see, this is the tail of arrow, this is the head of arrow. Okay, what is the meaning of this head? Means this pi electron pair is shifts toward this bond. Okay, means that is we get this structure. That is C, double bond.